Shao Kahn's conquest orphaned many children, but only one was adopted by the powerful Edenian resistance. Under their strict tutelage, he became an elite but arrogant fighter named Rain. Though Rain had served the resistance well for many years, he was denied his own command. Infuriated, he betrayed his brethren and joined his mortal enemy, Shao Kahn.
Finish him.
Ignoring loyalty, Rain is hell-bent on his mission. Obtain true power and destroy anything that gets in the way.
Shao Kahn had used Rain to crush the Edenian resistance, but had not granted him an army. For this betrayal, Rain drowned the Emperor in his own blood. A grateful Raiden thanked Rain for eliminating the Emperor and saving Earthrealm. His heroics were befitting of a son of Argus. Rain's lost heritage was a revelation to him. That he was a direct descendant of an Edenian god proved his superiority. Power was his by right. His divinity confirmed, Rain's path was clear. He would use Shao Kahn's army to rule not just Outworld, but all the realms. To Raiden's surprise and horror, Rain's first target is Earthrealm.